Hello my dear friend, if you have a handle-free design for your furniture, then you need a handle-free edge banding machine. This is our handle-free edge banding machine. We can see, first function is the angle milling. And then grooving. This is a very special one edge pressure. And the cutting. This is scraping, rough trimming and profile trimming, and then polishing with the clearing. Small machine, but can satisfy you with the handle-free function. So the first beginning, we still need to measure the thickness of our panel. We can see it's 18. So we use our control panel to make sure. Our thickness is the 18. And then we can start. Let's see the miracle happen. This is edge. We can go to the next. Let's see. Unbelievable this. Straight and then come like this. That's the miracle.